apron. Gloves.
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh.
Let's love sign. Chocolate. Chocolate. You sign. Chocolate. Good. Chocolate.
I'm really good at making ice cream.
Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh.
Oh.
Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons.